knife. What an idiot! I told you the next time you see this room, it'll be red guarded and ready for tile. Well, I'm a liar. I ran out of glue. I gotta take this stuff back down. It's just up temporarily, but I got the pieces cut, and I still gotta finish this out a little bit. So I got my cutlass for this, and I gotta trim this piece off. But check this out, man. My little shower pan over here pissed me off. It was just a little bit too tight of a fit, and I jumped inside there to force it into place, and it busted the entire bottom out of the thing. The only thing that's fiberglass apparently is the bottom. The rest of it is just a really thin layer of fiberglass. I mean, really thin, and OSB, and it's got this vacuum formed piece of plastic over it that is, I mean, it's just freaking garbage. So that was a waste of $100. What I'm going to do instead, I was going to do this anyway, is build a curb right here and line that with hardy board, and everything's going to get mopped in red guard here. Probably have to pick up another bucket of that, and then everything will have a waterproof membrane on it. All these joints will be taped and gooped up, and then I'll put a cementitious shower pan in here, you know, like slope it to the drain. I got this here 4-inch drain that I bought, but I'm not going to use because I couldn't use this one with this piece of garbage. So I'll do a regular shower in here and tile everything and screw your shower pan. So there. Still got to see the neighbor about tile and see if he's got enough. I need about 150 square feet of tile to do all this. So I need to go up to Home Depot again and get some glue all the way back to Home Depot just for some construction adhesive. What an idiot! Come on, let's go. I would turn the light off. That would be good. Idiot! Oh, before I go, dimmable. Echo Smart from Home Depot. Let's see if I can find these online. If I can find these on Amazon. They might be cheaper. Check the links. If I find some dimmable LEDs for 4-pack for less than $10, delivered to your door, that would be a better bargain. I'll look for them. Look in the links. Back at this place. Don't judge me. So all my viewers out there who happen to be parents, tell me if this sounds anything like your day. Your morning starts with this big circle jerk that's tantamount to wrangling kittens. You know, getting your kids ready for school and out the door on time so they don't miss the bus. And, you know, 6 times out of 10 they do miss the bus. Now you gotta run their happy asses to the schoolyard. It seems these days the rest of my time is spent running in circles, chasing my tail. Gotta go to the store and get this. And oh, the kids are out of soda pop. I gotta go get them some soda pop. I gotta run to the Home Depot and get this. Come back. Oh, you dumb goof, you forgot something. Gotta run back. It seems like most of my day is spent filled with non-essential things that need to get done, but they stand in the way of me actually gaining any progress. Does that make any sense? Or is it just me? Comment in the comment section. Maybe I'm just losing my damn mind. But it seems to me that when I was a younger man, I could get a whole lot more done in a day. What's up? Ah, crap, I still gotta do this. Ah, poop. Oh. Yeah. I'll finish that up, and then tomorrow I probably will come in here. I'm gonna try to get in here earlier. Right after the kids get on the bus, I'll come out here and try to start red guarding this. And that sucks about that freaking pan, because, you know, yeah, it is what it is. I'm not gonna lose any sleep over it. But be that as it may, I have this little this little piece of metal here. This is where the walls of the original bus, there was a piece in the ceiling. The ceiling latched down inside this little metal thing, this metal rail here. That's what clipped the ceiling in. I gotta come in here and grind that out. But I might do this part with the cement board. That's all I got time for today. Like, share, subscribe, click the bell. You know, all the things that one should do at the end of a video. If you liked it. And if you did like it, then please share this with your vast social media network. I surely would appreciate that. Until the next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. I'm gonna go wait for my son to get off the bus and drink me some sweet tea. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Oh no, I'm out. Bye now. Oh, turn off the lights, you goof. You idiot! Turn off the air conditioning and put you back in your cage. Oh, turn off the lights, you goof. Idiot! What an idiot. Pissed me off. So there. All the way back to Home Depot just for some construction adhesive. What an idiot. Oh, you dumb goof. Come on. Let's go. That's a really nice knife. Idiot! Running in circles, chasing my tail. Idiot! Oh, you dumb goof. So there.